The grinder sandwich is named so because of the many layers of fillings and bread it's pretty hard to get your teeth to grind through. So it's a bit of a jaw workout, but it's totally worth it. The beautiful thing about the grinder sandwich are the many variations. Sandwiches are personal, so you can put in whatever tickles your pickle. This is my version. Animal-free, I used all vegan products, lashings of garlic and herb butter, juicy punchy salad, squeaky bean sandwich slices, and follow your heart vegan cheese. This sandwich has everything.